Head Department of English, Civic Head College, Akkalkot. We have been discussing on verbs. Now we shall see in this video 5 different forms of the verb. Each and every verb is having 5 various forms that we use in the tenses. Now, first form of the verb is view. Verb as original. Now see, it is work. The main verb we use in the present tense. Then when we add s to the verb, the second form becomes verbs. We use it in present tense as a third person singular. The third form of the verb is VED, that is past tense. When we attach ed to the verb, becomes worked. That we use in past tense. Then the fourth form of the type of the verb is VING. Verb where we attach ing to the verb becomes working. We use ing in the present participle or past participle form. Present participle form. Then, and the last one is VEN, which we attach en to the verb. Here it is regular verb, so instead of en we attach here ed, that becomes verb. In case of regular verbs, we attach ed in past tense as well as in past participle form. So the same as play. Plays in third person singular, played in past form, playing in present participle form, and again played in past participle form. So you can do the remaining. Again in past participle, here the same ed suffix is attached. Dance, S in third person singular. Past tense, present participle and past participle. So in case of regular verbs, we can attach ed as a suffix in past form as well as in past participle form. Now, irregular verbs. The verbs to whom we call irregular because they change their form itself. Now see, here go is the VO. In case of VS it becomes goes. In case of past tense it becomes went. In case of present participle, it is going, and in case of en, past participle comes gone. These are the 5 forms of the verb go. Now write. Writes, wrote. Here we see that ed we are not attaching in the past form. As in regular verbs we attach ed to the past form. Here its form is changed. Right, becomes wrote. In case of present participle, writing, and in case of past participle, written. En is attached here. VEN. Drink. Some examples I am showing here. You can take lots of examples and you can make practice for that. Drinks. Drank. Drinking. Drunk. Give. Gives. Third person singular. Past tense. Gave. Past participle. Giving. And present participle. Giving. Past participle. Given. En is attached here. Then show. Shows. Shows. Show. Showing. Shown. Last one is put, which is the same in every form. We cannot attach ed. Puts we can do it here. Only yes we can attach for the third person singular. Then putting, and for en it is. So take any verb, regular verb, and you can have 5 such types of forms. Take any irregular verbs, you can have 5 such types of forms. So adding VO, VS, VD, VING and VEN. Here we see that all these regular verbs take such types of 5 forms. All these irregular verbs, they change sometimes their form itself, and they have these 5 different forms. So thank you very much for observing.